Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke, splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke, splash. Can you please say those words after me? Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke, splash. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke, splash. Say them along with me and let's do it 4 times in a row. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke, splash. 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 Awesome. Will you pat your lap along with the rhythm of the words? Here we go. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry Coke, splash. 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 This time I would like you to audiate, that is, put the words inside your head instead of saying them out loud, and pat on your lap. So we're not going to say the words, we'll only hear the rhythm in your lap, but think it so we can keep track of where we are. Ready, go. Awesome. Make sure you've got the poem and the rhythm down because we're going to do more with this in our next lesson. So if you need to back it up and do it again to make sure you've really got it, please do.